Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope you all are fine. This video lecture is of computer science for pre-9 class. Chapter number 2, binary system, topic Boolean preposition. Firstly, I am going to explain history of Boolean preposition. The idea was given by George Boole 2 November 1850 to 8 December 1864 in his book The Laws of Thought. True or false are called Boolean values. Okay, true or false are called Boolean values. Next, what is Boolean proposition? A proposition is a sentence that can either be true or false is called Boolean proposition. Okay, true false statement is called Boolean preposition. Okay, like for example, I will get A plus grade in board exam. In this statement or in this sentence, two possibility present even. Maybe he will get A plus grade in board exam, maybe not get even. Okay, it's mean here two possibility present, true or false. But the following sentences are not proposition. For example, how are you? Close the door. Is it hot outside? Imperative sentences we never use as a Boolean proposition. Thank you to all.
The Brain Tutor is the complete virtual school. If you like our videos, download and share the videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you. The Brain Tutor is the complete virtual school. If you like our videos, download and share the videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you.